Hi viewers, I'm Shahadat. I am a 3D animator and science visual creator. In today's video, we will learn about the internal structure of the X-47M2 missile and how it works. So, let's get started. This is the X-47M2 Kinzhal air-launched hypersonic ballistic missile. It is manufactured in Russia. It was revealed to the public in 2018, and Russian President Vladimir Putin announced its name. The word Kinzhal means dagger or knife. Symbolically, it indicates its sharp and fast striking power. The X-47M2 Kinzhal missile is 8 meters long, and its body diameter is 1 meter. For comparison, consider a soldier. According to various sources, the entire missile with the warhead weighs 4,300 kilograms. This is the missile body, made of high-strength steel alloy and composite material. This is a nose cone. It is made of titanium alloy. Because it travels at hypersonic speeds, intense heat is generated by air friction. Therefore, a special ceramic or ablative coating is used on the external surface so the body does not melt. This is the warhead. The X-47M2 can carry 450 to 500 kilograms of explosives. Guidance section or flight computer. How this missile identifies targets is unclear. In other words, it has not been disclosed. However, analysis suggests that after launch, the missile is largely controlled by satellites. That is, once a target is identified, satellites guide the missile toward the target. This is the fuel tank. The X-47M2 missile uses solid fuel, so calling this a fuel tank is somewhat incorrect. The fuel tank and the nozzle together are called the rocket motor. This is the thrust vectoring actuator, a vernier thrust or fin actuator system. Or, more generally, it is also called a gimbal nozzle. This was an internal component of the missile. The X-47M2 Kinzhal is an air-launched hypersonic ballistic weapon. Technically, it is seen as based on the Scud family, but operationally, it is different. That is, it is not ground-launched. It is launched only from aircraft. Launch platforms. Previously, this missile has been launched most often from the MiG-31K interceptor. It has also been launched from the Tu-22M3 and the Tu-160 fighter. Launch sequence. First, the fighter jet reaches the target area. At a specific altitude and speed, the missile is released from the fighter's onboard rail. After release, the missile quickly activates its propulsion system. As a result, within just 10 seconds, it reaches hypersonic speed, Mach 10, and rapidly enters the terminal phase. Also, this test has been successfully conducted from the Tu-22M3 and the Tu-160-R. Why is it launched from an aircraft? The reason is very simple. When the missile is launched, the aircraft speed is about Mach 2. That is, the aircraft speed is around 2,000 kilometers per hour. Because of the object's inertia, the missile also has the same amount of speed, Mach 2. Launched from such high speed and altitude, the missile immediately gets extra boost. As a result, the missile quickly reaches hypersonic speed, Mach 10. Mach 10 means a speed 10 times that of sound. So just think how difficult it is to detect a missile coming at 10 times the speed of sound and destroy it while it is in the air. It is almost impossible. That is why the Russian military is proud of it. But the final word is, in technology, nothing is impossible. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.